Hey everybody, Richard here with the Wireless Haven, and today I wanted to show you a product that we've got. It's kind of a combination product that can bring your T-Mobile home internet, Verizon connection services, AT&T home internet or business internet. The business internet is a big one, right, for T-Mobile especially and other carriers, but pretty much everybody. If your connection is slower, but your phone, your amazing new phone is like really fast, then you might still be able to get your internet connection for your home or business, your backup, whatever it is, up to a much higher level with more powerful hardware. Now, X75 is what I'm talking about. It's a Qualcomm chip. It's at least for these types of devices, one of the highest chipsets you can get in a data-only device. They can produce speeds much higher. They've got better processing power, more memory on them, and generally they can aggregate a higher number of channels. Without getting too nerdy about it, it can do more stuff if your cell tower with the carrier and plan that you have can provide it. So how do you tap into that while also having pretty much all the control and feeding it back into your house from the cell tower on through? X75 is a great way to do it. We do have a router with the X75 modem inside, this with some antennas on the sides. I just didn't connect them, but this will, Wi-Fi 6 throughout the house. If you already have, though, like a more professional home router setup, or you just like your Asus router and stuff like that, there's really no point in putting a router to your router. And that's one of the problems with T-Mobile home internet, AT&T home internet, Verizon. They may have an IP pass-through feature, maybe. I think the AT&T business does, but most of the others, they really don't. And you can't really do much with their device. If you just want the modem connection, you just want the internet connection to go to your Unify system, you just want the internet connection to go to your Asus or your Netgear, or even a high-end secondary or primary backup going into Cisco or Altavista, whatever, then we recommend going with your own little modem that you can use with an adapter that spits out RJ45. So the RJ45 would just be a simple Ethernet connection from a modem only that is high speed. This is actually an older modem. This is X62, still can do well over a gigabit depending on your cell tower, but it can't do quite as much as the X75. X75, though, is the same thing. We put it in one of these guys, boom, antennas. But we'll take it even further. If you need better signal, then you get you an outdoor antenna like this one here. This is a large, you see it next to me, it's very large, but it's a full-size 4x4 antenna device all in one. It has 4 cross-polarized antenna elements inside. They're all individual. They're set in 2 pairs. There's a pair here and a pair here. These 2 pairs pull together a full 4x4 antenna setup for modems that use 4 antenna connectors. The better part is we take this, put the X75 inside, and then put it Ethernet to the device with a power supply that powers it over Ethernet. Then dual SIMs connect to the dual SIMs of the modem, and now you've got dual SIM access without having to open an outdoor enclosure, high-powered directional antenna. You set it outside, and then no antenna cables, only Ethernet, X75, high-powered antenna, high-powered modem, single, simple Ethernet connection back to your router so that you can have a good quality, high-speed signal connection, control the bands, because sometimes a good signal doesn't mean good speeds, right? Maybe you need to get rid of some of those good signal bands and put in a lower signal band that for whatever reason that lower signal band's getting you better speeds. And then the X75 in this thing can be high powered signal and aggregate tons of bands for high speed connection for your home, business, primary internet, backup internet, and make that T-Mobile home internet, business internet, AT&T internet, Verizon, whatever, make that much better than the junk that they give you so that you have all the control and you also have all the power. This has been Richard with the Wireless Haven. Make sure you check out our site for all these parts. Remember, we can not only put these together for you, but you can do it yourself. And either way, you have access to me. We will take care of you. One-on-one support. We're pretty much available when we shouldn't be, but we just want to make sure that you're getting all of your money's worth, and we're always here to support the products that we sell you. Take care.